camel jerky or snapping turtle jerky or Cajun alligator jerky, things like that. They have all those here. If you're driving on the Interstate 10 in between Tucson, Arizona and Las Cruces, New Mexico, you'll probably see a bunch of billboards on the side of the road advertising a jerky place. And it is this place. It's a famous jerky place called Dwayne's Jerky, and it's here in Bowie, Arizona. And why it's become a famous jerky spot is because they have all sorts of really good local jerky, but they have some exotic jerky as well. If you want some local nuts, we are in pistachio country as well as pecan country. So you can get some road stop snacks. They got a little food truck here. So if you want some tacos or some burgers or something like that, you can fill up and hit the road. Also got a bathroom spot. And if you're an RVer, they got a little RV park. Doesn't look too glamorous, but once again, a good place to stay that's right off the interstate, and you got some good munchies nearby. So next time you're on the I-10 cruising between Arizona and New Mexico, you might want to check out Dwayne's. Bowie's also close to Arizona wine country, and so watch this video next about some of our wine travels in Arizona. We'll see you on the next video.